What? Oh, welcome back. All right, now it's time to multiply some fractions. Hooray! Multiplying fractions. Woo, 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 woo. Multiplying fractions isn't so hard. It's not at all. Look down at this number sentence with multiplying fractions that we have here. There's a blank. Here's the answer to the end of the question right there, and there's a blank right here. And maybe you can see how we got from one place to the other. Well, you look down at the denominators and you see a 5 and you see a 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. So we just multiplied straight across for the denominator. For the numerator, all you would have to do is multiply straight across as well. 2 times 2 would get you that 4. If you can reduce, you should, but in this case, you cannot. 4 and 35, they can't be divided by the same thing. I mean, 4 can be divided by 2 and 4, but 35 can really only be divided by 5 and 7, and that's not the same. So it's stuck as 4 over 35. Let's take a look at this picture up here. What you see up here is you see 2 rows of 5. Just like 2/5. You also see 2 rows of 7. Just like with 2/7. And the overlap they have is 4 out of a possible 35. I don't know if that visual aid helps you. Some people look at it and they have no idea what they're looking at. Maybe it's not helpful. If all you need to know is that you multiply straight across, fine. Stick with that. If this little visual aid is interesting or helpful to you, cool, I'm glad. If not, hey, you can just ignore it and stick to multiplying straight across. That's your choice. Let's practice a little bit more before we give up. Multiply this fraction. Well, it's not hard. We already talked about going straight across. Straight across. So 1 times 1 equals 1. And 2 times 3 equals 6. All you gotta do is remember, numerators on top, denominators on bottom. We're gonna have a fraction answer. 1/2 times 1/3 gives you 1/6. Simple as pie. Here's a quick preview at your pop guide that you'll get on Monday. You've got some order of operations on top, some multiplying with fractions on bottom. This one I could see is potentially slightly trickier than the others, but maybe you can figure it out without my help. Maybe. If not, I'll be happy to help you out in class. And then there'll be a writing portion on the bottom. Describe in words what PEMDAS stands for. Do you recall? Do you remember? And that's Monday, guys. Tune in next time. I'll give you a little preview of what we're going to do on Tuesday. Alright, guys. Have a good day. Bye.